In this video, we will show you how to assemble a PC in 5 minutes. Step 1. Have all your parts. You also need a tool, which is a screwdriver. Do you need any other tools? Step 2. Install the CPU into motherboard. Make sure to match up the notch. It will only fit correctly one way. Step 3. Install the heatsink. Place the heatsink on top of the CPU and fasten it. Step 4. Install the RAM. Step 5. Preparing the computer casing. Place the casing on a flat surface area. Remove all the necessary screws. Slide out the casing cover. Step 6. Install the power supply into the casing. Slot the power supply unit into the appropriate bay of the casing. Align the screws holes of the power with the screws hole of the casing. Step 7. Install the I/O plate. Install the motherboard I/O shield in the back of the shield. It should click perfectly into the place. Step 8. Put the motherboard in the case. Make sure you're using the correct screws. Screws the motherboard into the standoffs using the correct screws. Step 9. Plug the motherboard into the case. Plug all the things into the right spots. Read your motherboard manual to see where everything goes. Step 10. Install your hard disk drive. Slot in the hard drive to the hard drive bay. Align and install the screws to secure the hard drive with the hard drive bay. Step 11. Push out the plastic cover from inside of the casing. Slot in the optical disk drive into the bay. Align and install the screws to secure the optical drive with the optical drive bay. Step 12. Install the graphic card. Remove the backplate from the casing. Assembling the graphic card into the PCIe port on the motherboard. Screw the bracket of the graphic card to the casing back panel. Install back the backplate. Step 13. Reattach the side panels if you feel confident. Step 14. Plug in the peripherals, which is mouse, keyboard, and monitor HDMI. Step 15. Plug in the power cable and switch it on. See if it works. If it doesn't work, troubleshoot. Congratulations, you have got a working computer.